In this video I'll be showing you how you can fix E16 error code on a Hoover washing machine. So to fix the E16 on a Hoover washing machine, you need to follow these steps. You first need to disconnect the machine from the main supply and remove water connections and the wastewater pipe removed from the outlet. Then you need to remove the back. This is held on by several different screws. Once the back is removed, we can see the heater and the electrical connections to it. Then you need to remove the electrical connections to the heater. Once the connection is off, we'll be able to undo the nut holding the heater in place. After we are loosened this, we now give the nut and screw a gentle tap to release the bracket and rubber seal that is inside the outer top. Now you need to press the heater out. The replacement of the new heater is a reversal of the removal. However, there's a small bracket or clip inside the top that the heater needs to be pushed into to secure it and prevent it flapping around during a wash. This can easily be seen by shining a torch down the hole. We also put a little washing up liquid on the new heater's rub seal to help it slide in easier. Once it's all installed, we connected it back up to the water supply and waste outlet and then did a water test to make sure there was no leaks from the heater, because this is very important to do. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!